In this video, I'll show you how to fix your iPhone 16 Pro Max with a black screen like this. So, you're going to follow this quick tip fix. So, let's get started. So first thing you're going to want to do is locate your volume up and volume down button along with this big side button. So, you're going to follow this process, which is, you see what the volume up button is, you quickly press and release it, and then quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button. So I'm going to do volume up, volume down, and then you hold on to the side button, just like that. And you're going to keep on holding until you can see the Apple logo appear, and you want to try it as many times as you need to until you can get that Apple logo to appear. So if it doesn't work the first time, keep on trying it. This is going to be the way to fix it again. Just quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to that side button. And once you do that, your phone should hopefully turn on. It should be working, like it should for some reason. Sometimes it goes into this mode where it's stuck and doesn't turn on just by pressing that side button itself. You just follow this method, quickly pressing, release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to the side button. This method will not delete any of your personal data, so all of your photos, videos, apps will still be on your phone. Basically, it is just forcing the phone to restart itself. And I hope this video was helpful in fixing that black screen on your iPhone 16 Pro Max or any iPhone that has a black screen. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video, and for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.